heavy rain, flooding and high winds caused significant issues on the roads in Hampton Roads and eastern North Carolina on Monday, ahead of snowfall that began to appear in parts of the region in the afternoon. Thousands of people lost power during the inclement weather. Dominion Energy says its crews worked throughout the day to restore power to 30,000 customers across Hampton Roads and Northeast North Carolina. Customers can report an outage or down power line using the Dominion Energy app by calling 1-866-DOM-HELP, 1-866-366-4357, or online at www.dominionenergy.com. As of 9:30 p.m., only about 460 customers were still without power. Most of them were in the Virginia Beach area. As the Super Doppler 10 weather team forecast, the rain switched over to snow in Hampton Roads in the afternoon. Some areas, such as Williamsburg and Gloucester, saw accumulation, but snow in the metro region mostly melted due to the amount of rain on the road's ground temperatures above freezing. Expect slushy conditions. Although VDOT treated the roadways, Virginia State Police said its Chesapeake Division